up, guys? It's James, the Rambling Dasher. We're out for another Tuesday dash here in Central Arkansas in Saline County. Try to stick to Benton and Bryant. This is a short night on Tuesday, so about 3 hours. I think we're going to get burgers tonight. So yeah. Our goal, as usual, $20 an hour, 60 bucks. Last night we went out. It was a shortened night. We ended up with, I think, $118 and some change in a little over 5 hours. I think it ended up being 5 hours and 12 minutes. And we declined, I think, 33 deliveries last night. So, and I've already got my first decline right here. Is a $5.50 for 8.5 miles. So we will decline that and we'll look for something better and hope that we get something. I remember last Tuesday, I don't remember how many we declined, but we only had 4 deliveries. And I was just looking at my ratings. So the ratings are the same as they were yesterday. So I'm sitting at an 86 with a 39 acceptance rate, and then my customer rating 4.93. So there's my missing numbers from our total overall Dasher rating. 17 out of 30 on my acceptance rate and 9 out of 10 on my customer rating. We're sitting at 39.93, so only 7 away from hitting the 4,000, of which I think we get $10 off an order if we order through DoorDash. Woo! They're giving out the big bucks for people that have been doing it for a while. I promise you that. So I'm eating a handful of grapes. We're gonna go out and test the waters tonight. It's kind of it rained earlier today. I think maybe earlier this morning. But my windshield's all covered with raindrops with pollen. So yes, very, very nice look that I'm looking through this glass. I need to spray it off. So, all right, guys, sit tight. Be sure to check out our channel. Like and subscribe. Don't forget our Rambling Dasher Amazon store. Use the links down below. We mentioned last night someone bought a laptop on our account, so we greatly appreciate that. Even though it was the biggest item that anyone has purchased on there, so we appreciate that. And here's our first order. I'm a little tempted to pass it up because it has high mileage, but it stays along the freeway for the most part. The other part of it is it's Wendy's, which always takes way too long, but maybe we'll catch them early and they'll get it done halfway decent. So $7.85 for 7.2 miles. We'll see you after a while with another checkup. See you in a little bit. All right, guys, so we are just dropped off, I think, our 3rd delivery, but only our 2nd offer. Maybe it was our 4th. I don't know. That was 1 offer, but 2 deliveries. The one before was maybe, I don't remember. Anyway, it says offers accepted 3 out of 6. So I think we've accepted 3 offers, delivered 4 out of 6. Hour and 33 minutes, $28.35. So we're just on the cusp of 20 bucks an hour. And we got a little bit over an hour and a half a little bit less than an hour and a half to go. So I think we're gonna have to pick it up and get some better offers. Is what we're gonna have to do. But it seems slow today. I'm not even declining very quickly, right? But 3 out of 6. Hour and 33 minutes, $28.35. Yeah, that one wasn't very good. It wasn't that bad. It was only $10 and 2 stops, but I went ahead and accepted it, even though it was kind of a it was below the standard, I know that, but the mileage was decent, and so yeah, we got $28. So, and we're sitting at about an hour and a half in, so hopefully we can get another $32 in the next hour and a half. Nothing else really happening around here. It's been work, DoorDash, helping, doing stuff for my kids. They're going to Hawaii with their mom and their aunt and maybe some other, I don't know, their cousin might be going. My daughter's boyfriend is going. She's flying from Japan. Everybody else is flying from here. So kind of crazy. And yeah, we're staying at home. But that'll happen sometimes. So I personally, I am geared up and ready to go to see Machu Picchu in a couple of months. I did do something today, scheduled a doctor's appointment. Maybe I did that yesterday. I think I did that yesterday. Turns out I haven't been to the doctor since 2023. So I was just thinking it was a couple years ago, but then 2026 snuck up on me. So that'll happen sometime. So I got a doctor's appointment scheduled. So hopefully that all goes well. I got a feeling that something's going on with my blood pressure, but I don't know that for sure because, you know, I don't go to the doctor. But I've never had high blood pressure. But the last couple times I went to the dentist, I had a new hygienist, and she was like, yeah, I take everybody's blood pressure, but she just has one of those plug it in and air it up things. And my blood pressure was high both times I was there, and that was at least 6 months apart. So I don't know, but I've never had high blood pressure, but that's the only 2 times on those kind of machines, and I'm just like, I don't know, it's kind of weird. But yeah, all this time right now I haven't got any offers, which is kind of a weird, slow, but I don't know, maybe that's just Tuesdays. Maybe it's just Tuesdays and how Tuesdays work. I don't know. But anyway, nothing else really happening. I'll spend a lot of times getting steps in. Other than that, not really a whole lot going on. I told y'all last night, so if you watched yesterday's video, I went to the pizzeria in Little Rock. You should check that out on Facebook at tiptopchew.com, or not .com, but just on Facebook, tiptopchew. We got pictures out there of all the foods that we got to eat out there, so really tasty stuff. But yeah, just not a whole lot going on. And now I get a $4.50 offer for McDonald's that we are going to decline. So anyway, all right, well, we're gonna keep this video short as possible, and I will catch you guys with another highlight in a little bit. So see you in a bit. All right, guys, so we got another one ordered or delivered. We're sitting right at 2 hours. We got about 55 minutes left. 4 out of 8 offers accepted and delivered, and we're up to 37.85. So it's gonna be tough sledding, as they say, to hit the $60 mark today. So here's a $8.50 one for 4.3 miles. So it puts us partially there. So then we just need another, what, 7, that puts us at about $46. So then we only need another $14 after that. So all right, we're gonna run out there, see what we can find. Thanks for sticking around. See you in a bit. All right guys, so we just ended our dash. 2 hours and 51 minutes. 6 out of 11 offers accepted, so over 50%, which is a rarity nowadays. And we ended up with $59.42. So I'm quite pleased with the 6 out of 11. I accepted one that I wouldn't normally, but the rest of them were okay. We barely missed the $60, but we didn't go a full 3 hours either. So, you know, it's a win-win. I will consider 59 and some change right at $60. How about that? I feel good about it. That's why we ended it. We're going to go get burgers from David's Burgers, so I'm looking forward to that. Did I not end dash? Oh, this thing is acting weird. Ratings. Bear with me 1 second. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What happened here? Oh my goodness. What has happened? Our ratings today. Went from hold on. All right, sorry about that. Ratings started at 86. I'm up at 87 right now with a 42% acceptance rate, which is 18 out of 30. So we ticked up 1 on that. We still got 4.93, 9 out of 10 on our customer rating. Completion rate, on-time rate, quality rate, all 100. And our lifetime deliveries, exactly I can't even read, exactly 4,000 lifetime deliveries. So it's crazy that I've hit 4,000 deliveries. Trying to think about 2 years and 2 months, basically. I started in January of 24, so it's, and you know, granted, we don't dash every day, we don't, you know, and I don't accept everything anymore. I think back in the day I used to accept everything or try to keep my AR above 70 because we had that rule. So yeah, my acceptance rate right now is 42%, which is up from 36. So I think it's kind of crazy. 4,000 deliveries. So yeah, I don't know. I don't look at it as something to be proud of, but it's somewhat thinking is like, wow, I've done 4,000 deliveries, which I just think is kind of interesting. All right, next thing is earnings. So we've already read the earnings, but we're gonna go through the deets on it. If I can find the earnings. $59.42. We'll just take one big screenshot of the whole day because there weren't that many. So we'll start at the bottom with the orders. So Wendy's, $7.85. Panda Express, $10.50. A double stack for $10 with Cookie Crumble and Jersey Mike's. They were next door to each other, so that's why I accepted that one. Then we had a $9.50 for Pizza Hut, $12.50. Really, it was only an $8.50, but they added a $4 tip. So I did get a customer to add extra money on one of my deliveries from Chick-fil-A today, so it was $12.50. And then the last one was Papa John's for $9.07. So that finishes up the day. $59.42. We got $20.35 in DoorDash pay, $39.07 in tips. 2 hours and 51 minutes of dash time with 2 hours and 16 minutes of total time. So I don't know, 30 plus minutes maybe of inactive. Not really that bad. It seemed like it was bad, but it wasn't really. 6 offers, 7 deliveries, so only 1 double stack. So, hey, I don't know. It felt good for less than 3 hours, $59.42, and we're gonna go get a burger to celebrate a $59.42 and hope not to spend it all in one meal. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end. I hope you're liking the new shorter version videos. I hope you have an opportunity to click like and subscribe. And my hope is that you check out our Rambling Dasher Amazon page. You don't have to buy anything that's on there. But whenever you're going to buy something that you want, use our link and we get a commission for it. So it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps us out. So I appreciate that. Hope you guys are having a great day. Enjoy the rest of your night. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.